everybody, welcome. I hope you're all having a wonderful day so far, and happy spring! We're officially in April, which I'm so excited about, and for those of you who watched my last video, you already know this, but today is going to be a special video because it's the first footage I ever filmed, and it was before I even started a YouTube channel. It was before I even had a tripod. So it was something that I kind of just junked. I wasn't gonna ever show anyone. But I decided to go back and dig through the footage and put it together for you guys and kind of incorporate it with some other spring clips. So I do hope you enjoy. And the reason I want to share it with you today is because I know you're all itching for beautiful spring content, and right now up in Maine it's actually still snowy, which it's funny, every year it surprises me, but it really is kind of normal that in Maine there's going to be some snow in April, there's going to be some snow melting still, and even some storms. So we'll see if it's going to melt now, or I mean, we've had a couple small storms in the past couple weeks, so I'm not sure if we're in the clear yet, but I do hope you enjoy seeing this video because basically it was in like late spring, early summer when it's just so beautiful out up here. So yeah, I just can't wait to prance around in the yard again, picking flowers, and I can't wait to start the vegetable garden. So have you guys started your gardens yet, or are you planning your garden out? Drop a comment below. I need some vegetable gardening advice on what to plant for this year. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time.